Alright, it's time to pack the bag, and depending on when you book your trip, it might have been a long time waiting or a short time. For me it's been something like 6 months, so quite a long wait, but it's finally happening. So today I'm going to pack my bag and give you a couple of tips. When you're going on vacation, make sure you have everything covered at home. You can talk to the neighbors so they will keep an eye on your place. You can install alarms, you can install cameras, and you can have house guards that live in your house when you're away, so that's someone here. And that's what I have done. I have friends living in my place the whole vacation, but I also have alarms and I have cameras, so I can see everything that happens around my place and in my place. And of course, as I said, I have friends that will be living here the whole time. You don't want to come home from a great vacation and find out that a burglar been here and empty the place. I mean, I don't have any valuables, but a thief doesn't know that. So they might go in and check everything, take what they want and destroy stuff. And that's not what you want to come home to. So make sure you have everything covered before you go. I can't say that ironing is one of my favorite things to do, but since I'm going on a trip, I'm going to Greece and I want to have a couple of shirts with me, then this is something that has to be done. And I know many people say that men can't do this. It's always the woman that fix the clothes, but that's not really true. If I have something I need to be ironing, I fix it myself. That way I know it will be done properly, and I know it's the way I want it. So it's not fun, but since I'm doing it for a trip to Greece, yeah. And since I am in Sweden and it's almost summer, we have a typical almost summer weather. 15 degrees Celsius, not much sun. At the moment it's both rain and hail coming down, so not the most inspiring weather. But then again, the weather forecast says 30 degrees Celsius and sunshine every day in Greece during my vacation. So I don't give a rat's ass about the Swedish weather at the moment. I'm going to Greece and we're going to have sun and heat. To start with, check out your travel company how much you are allowed to bring, because the weight of the luggage can vary a lot, and lately the companies have been quite cheaper by the weight, or cheaper is the wrong word. They have lowered the weight limit, so you have to pay extra if you want to have more stuff with you. And the company I'm going with have lowered the weight limit from 22 kilos to 15. So that's why I'm not bringing my biggest suitcase. Because the bigger suitcase you bring, then you tend to pack more stuff and it will be overweight. So I have brought my middle suitcase this time. so the weight will be okay. Yeah, and what will I bring to my vacation? To start with, t-shirts. I have packed 5 t-shirts, and that's even if I'm going 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. You don't have to pack 7, 14 or 21 t-shirts, because you can reuse them, and there is always some kind of laundry service somewhere. In my case, they have it at the hotel this time. So a step up from t-shirts are these. A little bit fancier than t-shirts, but not as fancy as shirts and stuff. This works just fine on the evening if you're going out, if you're going to a restaurant, or want to be a little bit updressed but not overdressed. So I bring 5 of these. And that will be 5 even if you go 1 week, 2 week, 3 week or longer. Use laundry service. What more do I need? Of course, shorts. I always bring 2 jeans shorts, and I have learned by my mistake to make sure they have zippers. So you can put the phone in and close the zipper so you don't lose the phone or other values. I have done the mistake and lost phones and stuff on other trips, so now I always have zipper on the shorts. But I don't have only those shorts. I also have, let's see here, 3 other shorts made for swimming. Swimming shorts in different length, short and longer, and they all are suitable for swimming. And you need to have those, unless if you are going to spend every day, the whole day at the nude beach, then you don't need it. But I'm not going to spend that time there, so I need it for the pools and the sea. What more do I need? Underwear, of course. And yet again, don't pack underwear for each and every day. Use laundry service. And you can also pack some of your oldest underwear. That way you can throw them away after using them and make room in your bag for stuff you want to buy there. And then you don't get overweight to the trip home as well. And that's something I do also with t-shirts and other stuff. I always have a couple of t-shirts that I don't absolutely have to bring home again. That way, if I buy new stuff, I can throw away the old stuff and still keep me in the weight limit. Socks. But come on, you're going to Greece, you don't need a lot of socks. I'm gonna bring them because I take long walks, and when I do that I have sneakers on me, and in the sneakers I need socks. But other than that, I'm going to walk around in flip-flops or sandals or something, and hello guys, no socks in sandals, it look terrible. Don't use it. Camera goes in the handbag. Passport, travel documents in the handbag. And I have this, a book I bought when I first went to Kos, 1987. I don't need the book, but it has become something like a gimmick. I always bring it, and I have done so on every trip to Greece. And on the inside, I have written down every trip when I went, with who I went and where. And I still do this, so I will bring this one to the airplane, and when we have lifted, I will record this year's trip. Not because I have to, but it will be a nice memory. Please note that phones, iPhones, other kind of phones, iPads, batteries, console to play with like Switch or anything goes in the hand luggage. You cannot check in that stuff. So hand luggage for those things. Oh, I have one more thing I'm gonna pack in the bag. A snorkeling mask. I bought this one last time I was in Thailand, and this works perfect. So when I'm out swimming in the sea, I will use this one so I can check out what's happening beneath the surface. And of course you need toothpaste, toothbrush, perfume and that stuff. That goes in the suitcase as well. I have done a test on my bag and I end up at about 12 kilo. So no problem with the weight for me. How you do it is up to you. Anyway, subscribe to my channel so you can come back and see the other videos that are coming up and get an update on what happens on this trip to Greece. Take care. See you.